Hi and welcome to the Brocci Brothers. Today I'm gonna show you how you can buy IOTA and store it safely in your Firefly wallet. First of all, please note this is not an investment advice nor financial advice or any kind of advice. This is simply an answer to the question how you can buy IOTA and how to store it in your Firefly wallet. So let's just drop into it. First of all, what you need to get is the Firefly wallet. So go on their website, firefly.iota.org, and download the Firefly wallet for your system. The next thing you're going to do is you go to Bitpanda or any other exchange which might suit you. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can buy IOTA with Bitpanda. Herefore, just register or sign up for a new account and make sure after you did that you verify your account so you'll be able to buy IOTA. Now, once you have registered and verified, you'll be able to deposit some money. With Bitpanda, it's super easy and you have a lot of different options to make your deposit. So for that, click on deposit here at the top right. Choose the currency you want to transfer. You can either do it through a bank transfer or a credit card or any of these other solutions. What we're going to do for now is transfer by bank. Here, the minimum available amount you can use is 25 euros. I will just put 29.99 for this case. Once you confirm these two things, you click the button. Please note the payment reference is super important. Without it, your money won't get to your account. So make sure when you do a bank transfer that you put the right payment reference, check that you've correctly typed the IBAN, and especially check that the amount here is the same as you're going to transfer. At the bottom, you find the remaining information. Now, once your deposit has arrived, you can go click here on the trade button. Click here on buy. Then you click here on cryptocurrencies and you type IOTA. Click on IOTA, type or select whatever you want. In my case, I'll take the 25 euros. I see I get 32 IOTAs and I go to the summary. Again, have to check here and then I can click buy now. Yay, our purchase was successful. Now I can see there are 32 IOTAs in my account, no euros left. What's left to do is to send them over to our Firefly wallet. For that, we click on send over here, click on IOTA, and then we go over to our Firefly wallet. Now we click here, receive. My wallet will show me the address I have to send the funds to. I will now just copy. The only important thing to do is to check the first characters and maybe the last characters. Then again, we head over to our Bitpanda account or whatever exchange you're on. And we see, all right, the first characters and the last characters match. Then once you have verified, you can click on send assets to new address. Again, in my case, I click on maximum, go to summary, check this thing, go on continue, confirm again, type my code, click on the confirm button in the email you received, and then you will see our transaction is still pending. Usually this goes way faster if you just send some IOTA to some friend. but in this case, we have the exchange in between, so it takes a little longer. If we click here on the state of the transaction, this little window will pop open and we will see a fee of 0.02 myotas. This is not because of IOTA. Sending transactions around in the IOTA network is free, 100% free. So this fee comes from the exchange and not from the technology. Now we can see the state has changed. And we received the message that we just got 32 myotas into our wallet. Now let's head over to our wallet and check. Now here at the very top in the left corner, we can see that we received our transaction. Also, the transaction appears in the transaction history where we refreshed before. One transaction in IOTA uses 600 million times less energy than one Bitcoin transaction. Think about it. That's it for today. If you have any questions or remarks, just drop them into the comments. And otherwise, have a good one.